Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I have this Russwin here. Yeah, I got this a while back from Noctis Modus. Actually, it was the first giveaway that I've ever won on YouTube. Um, I I haven't picked it in a while, but I think if I remember correctly, it's a pretty easy pick. So may upload this on Thursday for Quick Pick Thursday. Here's the key that came with it. Looks, well, obviously hand filed. It's on reverse C4 blank from Edmunds, I guess. So yeah, hopefully I can get the right blank for this one of these days. I have it narrowed down to 2 or 3 Ilko blanks, but I'm not exactly sure which one it is. But I'll figure that out. Or if anyone knows, put it in the comments by all means. So yeah, there's your bidding. Works good with this key. I don't expect too much in here from memory, but we'll see. Let's see what this thing has. Oh, I'll adjust that in a second. That should be good. Readjust that. Alright, so definitely top of the keyway. I think this 50 thou should work perfectly. I think I'll go clockwise, and I think I'm going to try this offset hybrid here. See what happens. I'm going to pick from this ledge right here. Now, see if we can get this in time for a quick pick. Definitely a binder. I'm trying to... Man, I haven't picked a lock for too long. Okay, definitely got a click out of 6, 5. Not sure about that one. 3. Not sure how that felt. 1's binding. Definitely click off 1. And I think we're on 4 now. Click and a tiny turn on the core, and pulling out, I think I'm on 2. Yep, there we go. So, as I expected, not too much, all standard pins. But yeah, sometimes I think sometimes standard pins would be harder than spools. Hard to say in this case, though. Spools might have made this a bit harder. But yeah, we'll see what's in here. At first I thought there might be tapereds, but pretty sure it's just all standards. I gotta get some more screws for this thing too. I wonder if that's the same as a 570. Probably not. I get to use my new followers at 550 diameter for this Russwin. I was about to say Corbin, but alright. So, pretty nice core. Maybe a tiny filing on here, but it's still pretty round. I'll just put this in the pinning mat. Yeah, all standard key pins, obviously, not a challenge lock. And let's check the drivers out. Yeah, just standard, definitely not tapered. Still a really nice lock though. I think Corbin's and Russwin's and Corbin Russwin, I think they make some pretty good locks, pretty good tolerances. I like to think of Corbin Russwin's right up there with Sargent tolerances actually. They make some really nice stuff. Is that it? Yes, it is. So, oh, we just lost a couple springs there, but nothing special there. I'll double check the core for any threading or modifications, and doesn't look like anything there. Again, the key, hand cut. There's the back of the plug, and there's your keyway. If anyone knows what keyway this is, like I said, I have it narrowed down to about 2 or 3, but they're so close, and in the Ilko book they're on an angle. Well, for these Corbins, they were on an angle like that, and it's kind of hard to tell. I'll probably clip it and flip it 90 degrees to make it a little bit easier to look at. But yeah, going for a close-up. I don't think I'm going to use this. I don't think I'm going to put the pins out in this pinning mat too much for videos, because it makes it kind of spread out and hard to see, and the pins aren't all lined up right. Kind of makes it a little harder to see on video. So I'll probably keep using pinning trays for videos, but I'm really loving this mat. Besides that, makes a big difference in the look of the workspace here. I love it. Looks great. Just had to copy you, Chris. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this Russwin. Again, really nice cylinder. Think they have some pretty good tolerances. Shame you don't see too many spools in them though, but it's an older cylinder, and this is what it would originally have in it probably. Anyways, guys, again, appreciate the support, and don't be shy to leave a comment there. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.